This is the next topic in fourth module, Kaizen. Kaizen means improvement. It's a Japanese workplace philosophy which focuses on making continuous small improvements which keep a business at the top of its field. The philosophy involves everyone in the organization, managers and workers alike, and urges them to make never-ending efforts for improvement. For example, in Japanese companies such as Toyota and Canon, several suggestions per employee are written down, shared, and implemented. The origin of Kaizen. The foundation of Kaizen was laid in Japan after the Second World War when the country was attempting to rebuild infrastructure and rethink many systems. Several American experts on workplace improvement, including W. Edwards Deming and Joseph Juran, came to Japan to lecture and teach. Using information from these individuals regarding the TWI, training within industry programs, the concept of Kaizen began to be formed, and it took off in the 1950s. Kaizen key principles. The first is a heavy reliance on teamwork in which everyone's opinion is valued and considered. Workers also have strong personal discipline, and morale in factories must improve under Kaizen. Workers should also be confident about offering suggestions for improvement even when a system appears to be functioning adequately. Kaizen recognizes that there is always room for improvement. Finally, the system uses quality circles, worker groups who meet and work together to solve problems and come up with innovative changes. Kaizen implementation concepts. Kaizen encompasses many of the components of Japanese businesses that have been seen as a part of their success. Some of these concepts inspired by Kaizen are 5S, the Deming or Shewhart cycle, PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle, quality circles, Kanban. 5S in Kaizen. 5S is a method for organizing a workplace, especially a shared workplace like a shop floor or an office space. Seri, sort, tidiness, keeping only essential items. Sit on, set in order, orderliness, eliminate extra motion. Shizo, shine, cleanliness, keep the workplace clean. Shiketsu, standardize work practices. Shitsuke, self-discipline, sustaining, maintaining discipline and reviewing standards. The Kaizen cycle, PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle, also known as the Deming or Shewhart cycle. It's a continuous never-ending process that is cyclic. Quality circles. A quality circle is a volunteer group composed of employees who are trained to identify, analyze, and solve work-related problems and present their solutions to management. This improves the performance of the organization while also motivating and enriching the work of employees. First established in Japan in 1962 in the Nippon Wireless and Telegraph Company, it quickly became popular and spread to more than 35 companies in the first year. Kanban. Kanban, meaning signboard or billboard, is a concept related to lean and just-in-time production. The concept got shape when Toyota observed how supermarkets operate. The supermarket only stocks what it believes it will sell, therefore has limited and only necessary inventory. Signboards clearly indicate to shoppers where what is stocked so the customers can shop efficiently and complete their shopping in time. For a lean and efficient system, it is required that the production is determined according to the actual demand. In situations where supply time is lengthy and demand is difficult to forecast, the best one can do is to respond quickly to observed demand. This is where a Kanban system can help. It works as a communication system which immediately provides information about changed demand through the entire supply chain.